Do your legs feel stiff in the morning? Or do your knees ache when climbing stairs? You're not alone. As we age, one vital protein quietly disappears from our body, and that's collagen. Collagen is the glue that holds your joints, skin, bones, and muscles together. But after the age of 50, we start losing it fast, which can lead to joint pain, swelling in the legs, sagging skin, and even slower healing after injury. But here's the good news. You can rebuild your collagen naturally, starting with your plate. In today's video, we'll explore 8 powerful collagen-rich foods that can help reduce swelling, ease joint pain, and support healthy legs and mobility. What is collagen plus why you lose it? Collagen is a protein. In fact, the most abundant protein in your body. It's what keeps your skin firm, your joints cushioned, and your blood vessels flexible. Think of it like scaffolding for your body. But here's the catch. After age 50, you lose about 1% of collagen every year. And if you smoke, eat lots of sugar, or spend too much time in the sun, it disappears even faster. Signs of collagen loss: swelling in your legs or ankles, joint stiffness or grinding knees, loose skin on hands or neck, longer healing time after injury. The biggest complaint we hear? My knees hurt when I get up from a chair. If this sounds like you, don't worry, nature has your back. Let's dive into the foods that fight back. 1. Egg whites. Why? Rich in proline, an amino acid crucial for collagen production. Bonus: low-fat, high-protein. How to eat? Add to omelets, mix with oats, or boil. 2. Wild-caught salmon. Why? Packed with omega-3s and protein. Both protect and build cartilage. Bonus: reduces inflammation in joints and blood vessels. How to eat? Grill with lemon and herbs 2 times a week. 3. Bone broth. Why? Direct source of natural collagen, gelatin, calcium, and magnesium. Bonus: helps hydrate tissues and ease joint swelling. How to eat? Sip warm, use in soups, or make a golden turmeric broth. 4. Low-fat cheese like cottage cheese. Why? High in protein and lysine, another collagen-building block. Bonus: also provides calcium for bone health. How to eat? Add to salads, fruits, or toast. 5. Beans, kidney, black, or navy beans. Why? Rich in plant-based protein, zinc, and copper, all essential for collagen synthesis. Bonus: high in fiber, great for digestion and blood sugar control. How to eat? Mix into soups or make a bean salad. 6. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, moringa. Why? Contain antioxidants and vitamin C, which protect collagen from damage. Bonus: berries, blueberries, strawberries, goji. Why? Packed with vitamin C and anthocyanins that boost collagen and reduce free radicals. Bonus: anti-aging and memory-supporting too. How to eat? Add to oatmeal, yogurt, or eat as a snack. 8. Nuts and seeds. Rotate. Why? Loaded with zinc, omega-3s, and vitamin E. All support joint lubrication and skin health. Bonus: great for reducing swelling in legs. How to eat? Sprinkle on smoothies or eat a handful daily. Joint help. Magnesium helps muscles relax and may reduce nighttime leg cramps and stiffness. Bonus tips section for natural collagen support. Stay hydrated. Collagen needs water to remain elastic. Dehydrated tissue becomes stiff and painful. Seniors should aim for 6 to 8 cups of water daily. Get enough vitamin D. Collagen connects your bones, but vitamin D helps them stay strong. Get morning sunlight or take a doctor-approved supplement. Sleep equals collagen repair time. Collagen rebuilds while you sleep. Poor sleep equals weaker repair and more morning stiffness. Taking care of your legs and joints doesn't have to be complicated. Just a few smart food choices each day can make a world of difference, helping you feel stronger, more comfortable, and more confident in your body. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Wise Age Well for more simple, trusted health tips designed just for you. Leave a comment below and let us know which of these collagen-rich foods will you start adding to your plate this week.